2010 Toyota Sienna Braun Rampvan. You can see the ramp deploys automatically with the push of a button, and it closes up just the same. Excellent condition, 65,000 miles. We just serviced it and put a couple of new tires on it. Everything is in perfect working order. Extra clean, as you can see. And this is where the wheelchair would go. You can see the devices to secure the wheelchair. Third row seat is in place. Pristine interior, rear air conditioning. And you can see 65,000 miles. Super clean. And again, this is modified by the Braun Corporation, gold standard in vans.